Everyone needs a pair of Nike Air Force Ones. When asked what's an iconic sneaker, the Air Force One is the first shoe that comes to mind. Designed by Bruce Kilgore and released in 1982, the Nike Air Force One took the world by storm. The Air Force One is also the sneaker of Harlem, Manhattan, a place that I'm proud to be from. The white on white Air Force Ones was so popular in Harlem that they are now known to be the shoe of that location, the Uptowns. The white on white Air Force One can be seen everywhere, whether it's New York City, whether it's Chicago, whether it's LA. It's a shoe that everyone wears and that's seen all over the world. The Nike Air Force One is usually used as the base model for a lot of collaborations, just upping the notability of the sneaker model. This is another shoe that you can dress up or dress down, and is perfect for almost every single occasion. And some may say it's perfect for every occasion.